planning a trip to Thailand? Then wait. Don't book these tickets just yet and definitely stop scrolling because I know Thailand is a great choice. Beaches that look like postcards, street food that's better, unforgettable, full moon parties, pool villas, and shopping that won't destroy your bank balance. But here's the catch. Most of the Indian travelers, especially the first timers, make some super common mistakes. And no, I'm not talking about forgetting the sunscreen or carrying the extra chappal. I am talking about the mistakes that can literally ruin your vibe, burn your budget, and land you in some serious issues with the Thai authorities. And the worst part, you probably don't even realize you're doing them. So if you want your Thailand trip to be smooth, fun and drama free, then stick with me because I'm telling you 5 mistakes that Indian travelers make and how you can avoid them like a pro. Mistake 1. Bangkok and Pattaya are fun, no doubt. Shopping, clubs, even an Indian restaurant around every corner. But if you're flying all the way to Thailand and only doing Bangkok, Pattaya, you're doing the trip wrong. Most people don't even realize this, but Thailand is way more than malls and massages. There's Krabi, postcard perfect beaches with turquoise water. There's Chiang Mai, calm, natural and surrounded by mountains. Koh Phi Phi and Koh Lanta, ideal for that chill island life or scuba diving adventures. Pattaya is great for parties, but Thailand isn't just nightlife. Want waterfalls, elephants, temples, hiking trails or quiet beach resorts? You'll find zero of that in Pattaya. Pro tip: do Bangkok for 2 nights, then head south or north and let your Instagram thank you. Mistake 2. Bargaining like it's Sarojini Nagar. Yes, Thailand has street markets. Yes, you can bargain as well. But no, this isn't your neighborhood bazaar where you say, Bhaiya final laga lo 10 times and win the battle. In Thai culture, people are super polite and so should you be. A lot of Indian travelers go overboard, haggling over everything, including that 5 baht bracelet or a 20 baht tuk-tuk ride. You push too hard, the seller won't fight. They'll just smile and walk away. Pro tip: always negotiate with a smile. Start low and meet halfway. And if you're getting fresh mango stick rice for rupees 150, maybe let that one go. Mistake 3. Skipping the local SIM card. This one's practical but super important. Many travelers land in Thailand, take a few airport selfies and think, बस Wi-Fi से काम चल जाएगा. Spoiler alert, it won't. From using Google Maps in maze-like streets to booking a Grab taxi or even translating a Thai menu at 11 pm, that SIM card is your best friend. Pro tip: buy a local SIM right at the airport. It costs around 300 to 500 rupees and gives you unlimited data for 7 to 15 days. Totally worth it. And trust me, you don't want to be stuck in a night market in Phuket with 3% battery and no clue how to get back to your hotel. Mistake 4. Not respecting local culture. Thailand may look like a full party country and in some ways it definitely is. But don't forget, it's also a deeply cultural and spiritual place. You can't just walk into a temple in a tank top and short pants. You cannot point your feet at anyone or touch someone's head, especially a child. That's considered extremely disrespectful. And here's a big one. Never say anything bad about the Thai royal family or Buddha statues. It's not just rude, it's literally a crime. Pro tip: carry a light scarf or sarong to cover up at temples. Bow slightly or do a gentle vai to greet. Be chill, be kind. Thai locals love tourists who show respect. Mistake 5. Over-planning or under-planning the trip. There are 2 types of Indian travelers in Thailand. The spreadsheet guy, every hour blocked, every meal decided. And the chalo dekh lenge wahan jaake squad. Zero planning, full chaos. Both make mistakes. Pro tip: Book your flights and stays in advance. Log 1 to 2 major activities like an island tour or spa day, but leave breathing space for lazy brunches, random night markets, or that beach massage you didn't know you needed. Because trust me, some of the best moments in Thailand are the unplanned ones. So if you learned something new today, like and share this video with your travel gang. And if you're planning to travel to Thailand, then drop Thailand in the comments and I'll drop you a sample itinerary. Till then, goodbye.